Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me in the Allan Block workshop to learn about our AB Metro Patio Design application. What I'm going to show you in this video will be what is in the left menu of this application and how it can be used. You have options of selecting pre-designed rooms to use as is or make changes to. Or using a custom patio size, create a design from all of the elements provided. So let's switch to my screen and get started. Okay, from the main screen of the Design app, you will see all the options available in the left menu. We will go through each, with the exception of Design Your Own, which has its own video available. From the top, the first one is Pre-Designed Rooms. In here, you will see three choices: kitchen, entertaining area, and family rooms. Each of these has multiple layouts that can be chosen to use as is or modified to meet your customer's needs. When you click one of these, you will see three different images, which are your layout choices. I went into kitchens, and I'm going to use the U-shaped kitchen. So, to the left of the image, you have three choices to pick from for this or any of the layouts. By selecting, with one click, the name of the room desired, it will load on the screen. This choice is all grouped together. If the design is good as is, then just select the Publish button on the top to finish. If you need to alter the layout, here's how you do that. As a part of the design, you see a green box under the elements. This represents the patio floor or paver area. To make the patio size larger, use the green dots on the corners to drag it to a different size. Select any of the elements and drag and move as needed. If you want to rotate the entire layout, use the Rotate tool. With the grouped layout, you cannot rotate or delete individual elements separately. It will alter the entire grouped layout. So, if more changes are needed than that is what in the grouped option, there are two more choices you can pick from. These are in the left menu under the main name of the room, Custom M0 and Custom M1. These are the same layouts, and one is a mirror of the other, but both are ungrouped to make any changes to each selection separately. By clicking each element, you can move, rotate, or delete as needed. So, let's clear off the screen and show the next option with a pre-designed room. Let's select one of the entertaining areas, one of the ungrouped options. I want to expand the patio space using the green dots, but I also want to add another area for the patio, like on the other side of the house. I use the next option in the left menu, Establish a Room Size. Here, I can enter the size of the patio and give it a name if I want. Then, create the floor and drag it to the location. My layout size has expanded. Then, check out this option. Let's say you have a fire pit in the design or need to go around a large existing feature where the flooring or pavers are not needed. You can use this area floor reduction to help with the final estimate for flooring material, as it will remove the square footage from your material estimate. Enter the size of the space and drag it to the location in the design. So the next two options in the left menu are the additional elements that can be used to create, expand, or decorate your design. Under pre-designed elements, you have a wide variety of options you can place in the design. Let's start with bars for 32 or 48 inch. Use the images on the right for a general idea of what the element is. Then, on the left, it shows that each has 4 size options available and the ability to choose if the countertop material will hang off on one side or both for seating. Click the size and shape desired and it will load into the design. So, with the next options you can pick and choose from several different types to place on your design as needed by clicking and dragging. A tip is, by pre-clicking on the grid, you can then have the element load to that location. Then you can drag it to where you want in the design. Using the toggle on and off, rotate, or delete tools on the top, you can easily modify each element as added. If simple countertops are needed with and without openings, or to create an L-shaped countertop, the first two options under the pre-designed elements will give you multiple choices. Back at the top of the pre-designed elements, counters 32 with closed, you will see the shape and then multiple sizes on the right. The ones you see ending with A and B can be used to create an L-shaped counter like this. You can put different sizes together. The closed option is just a standalone counter option. The counters 32 with open has the same options for the L shape or standalone, but these have openings on one side where appliances and shelving can be placed. The next left menu, Store Furniture, can be used to decorate your designs to create a finished look. Using plants, chairs, grills, and more for your design will complete the look. Again, click and drag it to the location on the design. The next left menu option is Design Your Own. This has its own separate video to walk you through all the options you can do here. Check this out on our website or watch after this video. The last option in the left menu is the resources for the AB Metro Patio Wall product and app. You can find installation information and a photo gallery to look through for inspiration. There is also the How to Use application here. This shows how to use this tool as an additional resource to the videos you are watching now. It shows you all the tips and tricks of the top and left menu and more. You do not need hours of training to create a design with the AB Metro Patio Design app. We know a visual representation of a future project is why this design tool will help you create a finished plan in no time. With the left menu giving you room templates as a place to start and many options to design with, we know you can create the perfect design. Let us help you by bringing the inside outside for your customers. Happy building! Always better! Always Allan Block.